What is up, boys and girls? My name is Chase. Welcome back to another video. So today I got the Logitech Z625 2.1 channel speaker system. To be honest, I've only ever used the built-in speakers on my computer. I've been watching a lot of movies recently, so I decided, why the hell not, let's get some new computer speakers. So what do you say, let's open these. Holy moly, this box is freaking ridiculous. So Best Buy, for whatever reason, just sent me the speakers just like this, which I feel like is kind of weird, you know? Like anybody could have seen my speakers just sitting in front of the house. This might not be the best shot ever, but you know, you gotta work with what you got. Okay, so that's the sub. I think this one's the optical cable. Got a 3.5 millimeter. And then here are our speakers. I don't know which channel this is. You would think it would say which channel the speaker is. Here is our giant sub. I actually didn't know it was gonna be this big. That's what she said. I guess here, so on the back, there's a bunch of plugs. I guess this is how we find out which one is the left or the right channel. So the right channel has this like, I don't know, it looks like a VGA cable. And then I guess the left channel has this like, I don't know, it looks like an RCA cable. So we got our inputs and outputs here on the sub. I don't know, should we try to set this up? And maybe we'll do like a sound test. Not gonna lie guys, my desk is a bit of a mess, so this might be kind of difficult. Fun fact, this is where I keep all my boxes. We're gonna have to figure out something to do with that. This is gonna be another challenge. I have no place on my desk to put these speakers. Luckily, these Logitech cables are pretty long, so that's good. All right, guys, I think we got it all set up. I'm like dying right now, but at least we got it set up. God, my cable management is terrible right now, but it'll work for now. God, that looks so ugly down there. To be honest, I don't listen to a lot of music that has a lot of bass, but we'll try to find something. Here. And so far I'm liking it. I don't know, I like the overall vibe. It's cool to finally have some speakers, I think. Better than using the Mac speakers, so I'm happy with it. Anyway guys, I don't know, thanks for watching this little video. I guess I'll see you again soon. Bye.